that are all like, they got a million gadgets inside and stuff. This is a beautiful Chevelle. It's like 100 degrees outside and the AC does not work. So we're gonna repair the air conditioning. There's no AC in here. Also, it's not supposed to sound like that. We're gonna fix that. We're also gonna fix the window tints on this car. These are very fun to drive, actually. The car looks nice. He did a good job. There's Forgiato wheels on it. Car has nice paint. Bodywork is beautiful. Car's in good condition. Engine super nice.
All right, so right here we got this Challenger. We wrapped this car satin black a few months ago. This is actually Billie Eilish's car. This was like a gift to her on her birthday. It was her first car. She loves this thing. She posted on Instagram, tagged us as well. You guys have seen it. Got little scratches on the car, so we're gonna redo it for her. Like the fender right there. We're gonna be removing the wrap, which I'm kind of doing now. And we're gonna be rewrapping it. So it looks like the wrap protected the car's paint from the damage, which was a good thing. All we're gonna have to do is take it off and rewrap it, and that's it. Yeah, all that will come off. There's no damage, so we're good.
What do you want to do with this one?
I need to go up. We're gonna do brakes. So we have a GTR here. This car's in here for a few things. We're going to do full brakes, front brakes, rear brakes. We're also going to do some sound system upgrades on this car, along with body work too. So there's a lot of things going on with this car. This car has a lot of power. So after we're done, you guys will have fun watching it. He said 900 horsepower. Yeah, he has a lot of tune stuff going on. It's probably a sleeper. These are Brembo products. That's what we're gonna put on this GTR. Original parts, good stuff.
Welcome to Kicks with Vic. We're gonna make a poll if you guys want us to continue with Kicks with Vic or not. Louis Vuitton Virgil shoes right here. These are sick. God help me. This is the new collection from Louis Vuitton and Virgil. These are my favorite Louis Vuitton shoes right now. I use heavy into the Louis Vuitton shoes with Kanye West, and when those were out, I have a lot of those shoes I'll be bringing into the episodes later. But yeah, these shoes are cool. Let us know what you guys think, and let's get back to cars. Right? I don't know. We got two McLaren 720S's behind me. We got the red one right here, and then we got the brushed white one which is the same color as my Urus. This was the gray one with the 1016 kit, which is orange, but now we're doing it white. Two of the 720s we're working at the same time. Both have body kits. This one's got the Vorsteiner kit with the 1016 hood, and the other one has the full 1016 body kit on there. Both have exhaust systems. That's the Rift. There's the Fab Speed. Both have been lowered. Both have aftermarket wheels, Brixton, and I believe this one has Anarchy wheels. Brake calipers, we're gonna make them orange to go with the theme that we're doing. A lot of people are gonna not like us taking the red off because it's really, really nice, but I think it's just time for a change for this one. It's gonna be really different. Nobody's done it on this type of car, so it's gonna be really special. Here's the Vorsteiner carbon fiber side skirt. We're gonna be removing all of this to wrap it the proper way. Right here already, we have the mirrors off. We're gonna be removing the front bumper and doing a lot more, so this is a really, really nice 720. Now this one still has a lot of stuff going on. We're missing, obviously, the headlight housings, all that stuff. It's missing part of the door as well. But this one has the forged carbon kit on there. We're trying to finish them both up at the same time. We're gonna work really hard on the red one to finish it fast, just so we can show you both of them at the same time. Will be really, really cool to show two very modified 720S's in different colors and different carbon fiber formats. Stay tuned, watch us finish up these 720s. Right here, we have two wings for the 720S McLaren. These are two company brands. This is Vorsteiner, this is 1016 Industries. Carbon fiber, forged carbon. Some people love the forged carbon. It's still subjective. Carbon fiber obviously has been the way to go for a long time, but we do offer the forged carbon. They also offer it in carbon fiber, so you could get it in either way, either format. 1016 has this little vent shaped thing right here that goes with the outlet of the back quarter panel. Vorsteiner doesn't have that, but they have this other unique shape to it. Really cool differences. You can mix and match body kits. You could do whatever you choose. Comment, let us know which wing you like better.
If I go inside and grab a Sharpie, can I get you to sign my shirt?
Yeah.
Or are you busy?
We'll be back in like 1 minute.
2 minutes. I'll wait.
All right.
I'll wait right here. Thanks, man.
Okay.
All right, so we're all done with the GTR. Done as in the mechanical's done. We still have body work to do on this car. We have a brand new set of Brembo brakes. This car needs it, by the way. You need the best brakes in the market for this car because this car has 900 horsepower. It runs on E85 gas, which I just found out today. And it is this is the fastest car that I've ever driven. It's like very scary, deadly fast. It's scary. So, yeah, we're headed back to the shop. I don't want to continue to drive this car because this is a little bit too much for me. Let's go back to RDBLA.
Anywhere.
All right.
Appreciate it, guys.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's a nice
And
Real
Vic.
fans, real people.
That's
Awesome.
right. That's
See their
right.
name?
Oh, he's proving it. Took out his Medicaid card.
This is a Rolls-Royce Dawn. It's pretty much a 2019, pretty much brand new. It's got a beautiful white ivory interior with red Rolls-Royce trim, all that stuff. Really, really nice burgundy color on the outside. This car is easily worth around $400,000. Unfortunately, one of our customers, not his fault, he got T-boned, but from the front. He's out in Orange County, but we towed it for him from Orange County to us. This is going through insurance. Customer thinks it's a total loss, but honestly doesn't look like it at all. It's just literally the front corner of the car, and it's all parts. Literally just you buy the parts, you put it all together, paint it, do it right, it'll still be a perfect car. We can't see the frame rail yet. We just got the car, so we'll check that out later, make sure it's all safe. But it doesn't look like the frame rail got hit. It's pretty hollow in this corner of these cars, so it goes in, it looks really bad, but it's not that bad. We do car wrecks like this, very expensive ones. We have an orange Dawn that was in a wreck, we just fixed it. We have another Dawn right over there, which is a blackout Dawn with wheels. That's a whole different thing. So that's a customized Dawn. This is an insurance repair Dawn. Almost $500,000 car right here, sitting here. damaged and broken. Don't worry, it's at RDB and we can fix anything.